glass off. Glass.
You have to lick it off, honey.
No.
No? You want mommy to get it off with a napkin?
It is good.
Like this?
Angela, you gonna try some of this raisin?
Some of mommy's. Some of mommy's.
Some of mommy's. There you go.
Some of mommy's.
Oh, that's good.
Did I lie to you about their quality of their pies?
No, you did not.
There
Mommy, try some?
used to be a place in Tulsa that you could buy.
Lala,
A yellow pie. That is good.
Some mommy's. Some mommy's.
Yeah, some of mommy's.
McDonald's.
With this much sugar, she's either going to not nap or nap really hard.
I love how you little squint your eyes up. Yeah. And on this farm, he had a cow. Did he rope that cow?
No.
No? He let it roam around and eat the grass?
No.
No? What did he do with his farm? What did he do with that cow on his farm?
Moo.
The cow just went around and went moo?
No one.
No running. Did he walk around and go moo?
No.
No, he just stood there.
Moo. Sing.
Read about the teas they...
I did. Really good.
This way. This way.
Mm-hmm.
Not this way.
What?
We have.
You want this part? Tell you what, when you're done eating pie, Mommy will give you the paper part.
Like that?
No, ma'am.
No.
Other side.
Like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that?
No.
Like that? Like that? No. Like that? Like that? No. No. Like that?
May take more than one handy wipe to get that mustache gone.
We've got a good fair set of it, so. So good.
Yeah.
Moo.
All of it is just
Moo. Moo, Daddy.
you a cow.
No,
Now
Daddy.
that sour cream raisin pie is pretty fancy because you
Moo,
gotta have a double boiler.
Daddy. Moo,
Have a
Daddy.
double boiler?
Inside voice, please.
Daddy.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
For what?
The filling. That way you don't burn the sugar in the butter.
Oh. Yeah, do it. Because otherwise it'd caramelize. That makes sense. That's probably your next kitchen gizmo that we'll get. What
Yeah,
were we making?
especially icing.
That's right. Chocolate icing.
Tell you what, add a few pecans to that, and that would
Oh yeah.
Oh, you know what would be really good? Is